Hi everyone, I am a style coach. I'm a performance coach, right? All of you know. But do you know I'm also a meditation teacher? So recently I got myself certified because actually I started meditation 11 years ago. I was attending Silver Mind Method. It was done by my own coach, Nancy Ho. So when I attended the course, right, it was amazing. It gave me a lot of breakthrough, and I know literally what I wanted to do, and hence that's why currently what I'm doing. Right, so I wanted to bring this benefit out to people around me who is very lost in their life, okay, or maybe they have no focus about what they want to do, because right now with the pandemic, right, everybody's like a bit lost, and some lost their job, and then some gone through divorce. So I have a lot of clients like this. So what I wanted to do is I created a account on TikTok, right, called the Practical Wisdom Women. Okay, so basically this one is like a meditation community. So if you want to learn how to do meditations, right, currently right now I'm giving complimentary classes, right? So follow me on that TikTok account and also on our Instagram, so, and learn how to meditate. And also if you want to join our clubs to attend our classes on meditation, please DM us on that TikTok account. So today I just want to tell you a little bit more about how meditations helped me. So basically I used to got depression, right, at 26 years old, 25, 26 years old. And then I wasn't learning about meditations, but I found myself because of God, right, I managed to find myself back. And then I started to work. But then, I was sort of like thinking to myself, I can do better than what I'm doing. And hence that's why at 33 years old, when I lost my job, I went into doing Silver Method, and I could find my focus, and I could find myself, and there's a lot of breakthrough in my life. So I want to tell you these benefits that it gave me. Meditations helps me to connect with my higher self. It also helped me to reduce stress. It gave me a lot of creative ideas on how to do my business. It helps with decision making. It helps in fighting addictions. It helps improve concentrations. Like if you watch my TikTok on Practical Women Wisdom, we actually feature Mr. Lee Kuan Yew. He actually said that meditation helps him to calm down, to find peace, as well as to make important decisions for our country back then when he was in our government agencies. Involved as a founding father. So it also helps to encourage mindfulness. So please follow me in that TikTok account so that I could tell you more about how to do breathing properly when you are doing your meditations, and how to have that mindfulness when you are doing your meditation and the focus. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye. Oh, see the link in my bio on the account. Alright.